Winnie. Come here. Come here. I like how he did a little pre-growl. He's like, oh yeah, the booty scratch. The booty scratch. Oh, Winnie. Oh, you crazy boy. He's like, what's Pepper doing? I don't know. He's over there somewhere. Oh, Winnie. Oh, Winnie. What's a good boy? What's a good boy? You're so silly. Yes, you're a silly boy. He's like, oh, the ears. Okay. Pepper. All right. Hold on. I gotta put this in. I can't open it. Okay. Freaking Ziploc. Hold on, guys. There we go. Usually. This one's for you. I was giving him the biggest since these guys had. The big boys had one like an hour ago, so. He's like, give me it. I'm starving. They don't feed me at my house. I think you eat all right. Yes. All right. You ready to go home, Winnie? We'll walk and treat. Yeah.